Well, it's time to get ourselves into another new death battle. Today we have an interesting one. We have Ash Ketchum versus Yugi from Yugi. I'm not gonna lie, my choice, my pick. I don't understand how this is gonna work. Actually, I have no idea. One actually just has monsters popping out this joint, and then my boy Yami Yugi's. I mean, like, yo, he's a fucking god. He's a god though. Like, he's a god, but like, you know, like cards and shit. I don't know. I don't know how this is gonna work. I got Yugi personally. I was pulling up. I'm like, yo, I got Yugi. I mean, if we're really gonna keep it like even, like, bro, he has access to like cards that like literally do like, you know, like some, like, come on, bro. I think it's not close. Me personally, I think it's not close. But it will be interesting to see what happens. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel for reacts uploading the page. Well, it's already in full, but yeah, original video will be at the top of the description, people. Without further ado, let's get into it. That's all. What the fuck Pikachu go do to Exodia? Like, oh god, bro, like what the hell?
Don't get ahead of yourself.
Like, they actually got Pikachu out here fighting Dark Magician. Bro, Dark Magician will blow this little motherfucker up. Bro, ain't no way they started this shit off like this. Bro, I can't, bro. Yo, it's GG, bro. It has to be GG.
Versus Yugi Moto. The biggest question from the playground. Pokemon or Yu-Gi-Oh? He's Wiz and I'm Boomstick. And it's our job to analyze their weapons, armor, and skills to find out who would win a death battle. This is a big episode. Just look at how long it is. So thanks to our sponsor, Mad Mushroom, for helping us make it happen. Yeah, go check out Mad Mushroom's newest game, Night Swarm. It just launched, and it's all about
Yeah, I'll turn it up.
companions and claim your throne as Vampire Lord in this survivor-like
Damn, that titty was big as hell.
and roguelike RPG. Double the like. Each run is another step on your journey to wipe out hordes, find new followers, unlock new quests, and look cool while doing it. Look at that gear. Night Swarm is on Steam now, and 15% off for a limited time.
It's not cooler than a drip and where winds meet.
Hello there. Welcome to the world
I really do got to see how they're gonna like try to argue that it get close.
of Pokemon.
Maybe they could pull something. I don't know.
Get their
You know.
first one at age 10. If you don't sleep in like Ash Ketchum from Pallet Town.
Ash wanted
Yeah,
to
that's
be
fire.
a Pokemon master, though he didn't really know what that meant yet.
How about taking down your rivals to be the very best? Like
The very
no one
best.
ever was.
Likes. Oh, this is likes. Also, whichever Poke Girl companion you watched growing up, that's funny.
Better than Gary and his dumb groupies.
Well, Ash knew he'd find his answers
Like, I really feel like we're about to see Pikachu get blown up in his junk.
at the Pokemon League tournament.
So Oak hooked him up with the electric mouse, Pikachu. And wait, he's your problem now,
Ain't he a rat?
stupid.
Pikachu was a lot. The new duo had a rocky start, but after an intense first day together, the rest, as they say, is history.
25 seasons, over 1,200 episodes.
1,200
and the
episodes.
cornerstone of 2000s culture.
Hell
Ash
yeah.
spent decades as a
That'd be
10-year-old
one-
on the
a lot of
great
people's first
Pokemaniac
anime.
journey.
We should note we are prioritizing the anime that Ash is from, which often differs from the original games that inspired it.
Ash is
Fat
equipped with
Pikachu
tons
uglier
of
than a
Pokeballs
motherfucker.
And an all-knowing Pokedex. That's also a Pokemon. But in a fight, Ash usually chooses Pikachu. Give the yellow rat enough voltage and you'll regret it.
Weak to ground type. Nigga, he gonna be weak to a lot of shit that Yugi pull out. I ain't gonna- Yeah, he gonna be weak to a lot of shit. Yeah.
Even ground types that would be immune to electric attacks in the games can't stop what this Pikachu dishes out.
Yet somehow Ash is just fine after repeatedly getting
Pokemon
zapped by
are
this same
not
electricity.
fainting, they're
Over time,
dying.
Pikachu learned Volt Tackle, Electro Web, Electro Ball,
Literally going
and
against
Pikachu,
gods, bro.
there's Thunderbolt, the perfect attack for outgoing flamboyant thieves and air balloons. Looks like they're blasting off again.
So clearly the anime doesn't follow the game.
Slifer.
Like when Pikachu
Yeah.
shot himself with his
Yeah,
own
GG.
thunder while on Swellow, who, you know, is vulnerable to lightning.
But somehow they used thunder as a super armor. He even learned how to deflect
The
attacks
fuck?
by just spinning really fast.
Nigga get the
Whee!
breakdancing, bro. He's
Speaking of
lit.
fast, Pikachu has intercepted lightning,
but Quick Attack increases that speed even more.
And his Iron Tail really pairs well with Ash's offensive style. The guy plays crazy, opting for big damage over stalling.
Ash's style is so unusual that when a robot scanned his tactics, it exploded.
As the great philosophers put it, if it works, is it still stupid?
Ash and Pikachu's bond is magnetic and brought them new allies. Misty, Brock, Serena, just to name a few. Underneath
I'm gonna
the
say
stubbornness and
endless.
crispy bikes, they are loyal friends.
I peep my goat. I peep Piplup. That's my dog, man. My dog.
Just like Ash's Pokemon. They're not just collecting dust in a shiny hunting box. Ash's League ID won't let him carry more than 6 at a time, but if he needs them, they'll all come running.
Water
Yeah,
types
they'll
like
all start
Squirtle and
pulling
Lapras are
up,
key in seafaring fights.
squat
And
it
Ash can
deep.
combine their water attacks
Yeah.
with Flamey's Ice Beam.
One time, his Weasel got frozen while using Aqua Jet.
Cobblemon win. I was just talking to Fatal not that long ago about the Cobblemon server or setup. I forgot what he said. I don't even know if he looked into it. He was looking for something. I still don't even know what he was looking for. I can't remember.
Which is fine. Now he's using Ice Aqua Battering Ram.
Grass types like Bulbasaur and Torterra induce status effects.
Big
and heal with
Torterra.
synthesis.
But Sceptile's a menace. Yeah, so you got a big, scary Darkrai. Eat this Leaf Blade, Smeargle victim! Or that's what I would say if Tobias did an action replay of frickin' Latios. Give my man a win for it.
Well, 4Kids just did the localization. They didn't write the show.
They just get me heated. Almost as much as in Burnape's Flare Blitz. Then I'll sit.
That's crazy, bro. He do got a crazy roster. Like, bro, like it'd be crazy. If, like, I don't know, the planet fucking blew up or something. I don't
My
know.
Inferno to Overdrive, get my revenge, and Incineroar.
Ash had a fiery passion for reaching the top ASAP, but Charizard wasn't on board. Pursuing pride over
Yeah.
hacks, Ash lost the Viridian Force for the trees and fumbled the Indigo League.
Harsh lesson, but one he needed. Ash started bonding with Pokemon at a deeper level, and that friendship motivated
Look at Greninja, chat. Look at Greninja. Look at Greninja. Yeah, Greninja. Greninja go. Fuck.
them to dodge light speed moves like Solar Beam and Psybeam.
Charizard came around too. He's the last
Charizard
one you
too.
want to see on the field.
Charizard going.
Even if you have a Blastoise like Gary, Ash will call for the most unexpected signature move.
Seismic Toss! The people's elbow of Pokemon. Charizard's so strong, his flamethrower melts boulders. The Pokemon world is wild.
Ash's Pokedex spells it out. Vanillix causes blizzards. Magikarp leaps over mountains and into space. Dusknoir pulls souls into the spirit world.
Oh, and
The fuck?
Pikachu cleared a storm as wide as an island. Gotta catch 'em all. Surfetch, Butterfree, Heracross, Scraggy, Lycanroc, Palpitoad, Torkoal, Snivy.
With new regions soar new flying
The
types
hell?
like Pidgeot. On land, Ash has physical offense like Melmetal and Crocodile, and Gibble will drop Draco Meteors on anyone, but mainly Piplup.
You want physical?
No, Piplup.
Look at Ash. This twerp somehow carried around a Cosmoem, which canonically weighs over a ton. Oh, and this huge log that's basically a whole tree, he chucked it like it was nothing. Ash can choose his own hands if he wants, and he does a lot. Maybe his
He do be
secret is
swinging on
watching
them
the
niggas,
Minnesota
bruh.
Vikings.
Resilience is the bare minimum to HMO1 cut it in the tall grass. Humans and Pokemon must protect
Nah, I
and
assume they
enrich
would.
each other's lives.
I assume they would include like the movies. Surely they have.
Like
it would.
Mimey, the Mr. Mime back home who mind boggles you with Reflect, Light
Rayquaza
Screen, and
would be
Psychic.
peak.
Yep, that Mr. Mime.
Yeah, there is some busted shit. There is some busted
Dad, who
shit.
Ash caught in a Pokeball and brought home. Oh, so that's how it works.
Ash figured out new ways to bond with his pals with Aura. It's a life force that interacts with souls and links Ash with Lucario.
This Jackal excels at CQC and shoots steel beams and aura spheres. And with Mega Evolution, Lucario's power surges enough to defeat champion Cynthia's Garchomp.
A Mega would have been handy at the Safari Zone.
The fuck? Why did you put that clip in there, bruh? Ash face to face with that fucking
Surges
piece.
enough to defeat champion Cynthia's Garchomp.
A Mega would have been
Fuck you talking about? Who you running it up on, man? Nigga, give me your wallet.
handy at the Safari Zone when Ash accidentally caught 30 Tauros. And he keeps hugging them. Ash, they're bulls.
Ash genuinely loves his little guys, but boy does it suck to see him lose the Pokemon League over and over again.
Over
Kid,
and
just
over
turn
and
the hat
over
backwards
and over
lock
and
in.
over.
Ash's strength is not in battle theory, but his nurtured bonds. He knows Pokemon feelings better than anyone. With
The
Greninja,
fuck was that?
Ash learned to synchronize their senses and movements, transforming him into Ash Greninja.
It
What
comes with
the
a
fuck
huge
was
power
that?
increase,
Ash
but there's a
Greninja?
catch. Ash shares Greninja's pain. A small price to pay for the ultimate water shuriken.
Ash
Whoa,
Greninja ran the
that's
ones with
lit.
Champion Diantha's Mega Gardevoir. And just a normal Gardevoir can conjure black holes.
Ash's Pokemon and teamwork
Wait,
get
deadass?
along like rice balls and jelly-filled donuts. They saved the world from Lysander, who
Hey, hold on. Ash might be onto something, bro. Hold on. Ash might be onto something. Oh, that's from the Xbox, bro. Do I gotta watch that?
tried to kill all life.
How many episodes in that
They
shit?
fought the giants,
A million?
The Reggie kind, not the
Uh-oh.
New York ones. Who halted Reggie Gigas, who can tow entire regions.
Ash's team battled Steven Stone and Alon,
60?
who fought the terraforming primal forms of Groudon.
They're not
and
real
Kyogre.
black holes.
Yeah, don't get me started on a
Well, yeah, I guess they wouldn't be because then, like, you know, everything would be GG pretty much, right?
line. Ash did everything right, but no, Greninja still lost to his Charizard after only getting hit 3
That's peak design, by the way. Yeah, I'm one of them. Just make Charizard black, and that should peak.
times. How does Blast Burn beat Water Shuriken? Get your type charts right, poor kids.
Boomstick 4Kids weren't even around anymore when this aired. Regardless, after his loss at Kalos, Ash traveled to Alola and beyond to train. And thanks to some really delicious soup, his new Gengar Gigantamaxed.
Hide you, Gengar! He haunts foes with G-Max Terror, or even swallows them up. I bet it smells nasty in there.
Ash and Pikachu also scored a buff with their Z move.
God
All they need
damn,
is
that
a
nigga
power
Ash
ring,
ugly as
some
fuck.
JoJo poses,
What the fuck happened to Buddy? Oh, hell nah.
and Thunderbolt will evolve into
10 million volt Thunderbolt.
What?
This Rainbow Lightning is their ace. You see
Whoa,
this coming? You're
what
cooked.
the fuck?
Absorb electricity? Cooked. Fused with an Ultra Beast? Cooked.
Ash
What?
journeyed so much that monsters from another dimension are nothing to him. Naganadel is a poisonous sniper, and Solgaleo is basically the sun god, a legendary Pokemon whose Sunsteel
Blasting Rocket off every episode. Such a feat. Such an amazing feat. Amazing feat. Thunder obliterated most of Triangle Rock. Exceeded Kunway. The hell? And Clembot's calculations. Can light up the universe. What? What? Oh, Dialga's Roar of Time. Oh, they about to amp the fuck out this nigga. Oh my god, they about to amp his ass. My fault, gang. My fault. Hold on, Ash. Ash might have some here now. He doesn't, by the way. But you know what I'm saying? Hold on. It might.
lights up the universe.
Ash got a god in his bag for just being a nice dude. Smell you later, Gary.
In fact, when Ash and friends band together, they can halt Dialga's Roar of Time. And Dialga literally controls the concept of time. Is there a legendary Pokemon he hasn't befriended?
But it all started with Pikachu, so it was gonna end with Pikachu. In the Tournament of Champions,
What?
and Alon, Ash faced the #1 trainer.
Yeah, Pikachu
Finally,
can't evolve.
Finally!
Finally,
After
finally,
3,000
finally.
years, we're
Nah, shit was so lit that I even took
free! More kids let my boy win! Yes!
that shit was trending everywhere.
Ash did his best, and he had no regrets. Now free to hand over his torch to new bright-eyed trainers.
Ash realized that to him, a Pokemon Master was someone who was friends with every Pokemon. So he and Pikachu threw a stick in the air and walked the way it landed. Because in the world of Pokemon, the journey continues.
Yeah, that's kind of cool. That's kind of lit. That's kind of lit. I ain't gonna lie. That's kind of lit.
If you want to travel the world like Ash,
Yeah, maybe in this fight they're gonna say that he could use them since they befriended each
or
other.
look as rad as Yugi, then we've got the
I smell the
This
Mickey
battle is sponsored
already.
by Quince.
You'll like this. A bunch of Death Battle staff have owned Quince stuff for ages, so we know it's legit.
Quince makes it easy to look sharp, feel good, and find gifts that last. From
The fuck is
Mongolian
Quince?
cashmere sweaters to Italian wool coats, Quince pieces
Why the fuck would I want Mongolian cashmere sweaters?
are crafted from premium materials and built to hold up without the luxury markup.
Nice! This is totally a Kaiba fit right here. Just gotta pop up that collar.
Nah,
Quince makes the
More
essentials every
exaggeration.
guy needs. Denim, chinos, down jackets, wool top coats, and leather styles built to last, just to name a few.
Each piece is made from premium materials. Oh, and by cutting out the middlemen and traditional markups, Quince delivers the same quality as luxury
They finna have Ash fist fighting Yugi.
items
Yeah.
at a fraction of the price. So get your wardrobe sorted and your gift list handled with Quince.
Don't wait. Go to quince.com/deathbattle for free shipping on your order and 365-day returns. Now available in Canada too. That's QUINCE.com/mystery
Battle.
of ancient
All
Egypt.
right, bro. Here's my goat. I was more of a Yu-Gi-Oh kid than Pokemon,
What was the
but I still watch a little bit of Pokemon.
secret to such a glorious civilization?
Time travel? The divine hand? Aliens? Nah, they were gamers.
Egyptians
They're
played
gamers.
games with sorcery. These magical ceremonies punish dark hearts with swift death. The Shadow Game.
No, Wiz. They were banished to the Shadow Realm. Wink.
Sadly, the way of the Shadow Games was lost across time and the pieces of the Millennium Puzzle. It's said the one who solves the puzzle would pass judgment on evil. And in the modern day, Yugi Moto reassembled.
Yugi Moto.
Yu-Gi-Oh! Turn that jam up! Yugi was a
Coolest
shy kid
nigga,
that
bruh.
helped run his grandpop's game shop.
But little did he know that completing the puzzle would link
5
his
foot,
spirit to
92
ancient fairy.
pounds.
Yami,
Hell yeah.
Always willing to lend Yugi a hand. And,
Wait, 18. The fuck?
and always on demon time while doing so.
Yami
He's
Yugi.
Anime Jigsaw. Yami wants to play a shadow game.
Shadow game.
Mario Party with chloroform, or the game that would take his world and
Yeah,
ours
5
by
foot at
storm.
18 is
Duel
fucking
monsters.
crazy.
It's a summoner's war.
Let's go,
Time to send
Fado.
monsters to the graveyard and take your foe down to 0 life points.
When Yugi's grandpa was kidnapped by the deranged CEO Seto
Like I just wonder, is it really just gonna be like, yo, the strongest Pokemon? I mean, Yu-Gi-Oh cards versus the strongest Pokemon? Like, if that's the case, but
Yugi knew it was time to knock him down the only way he knows how. Playing a children's card game.
And for his L, Kaiba was given a penalty game. Lose or cheat against Yami at your own peril. With the puzzle, Yami can punish you in some seriously messed up ways. Illusions
puzzle abilities, barriers, clairvoyance, illusions, penalty games, probability manipulation, monster summoning, shadow games. Shadow games is just a part of that. Sealing and telepathy.
of being set on fire, swapping your soul, or the infamous Mind Crush.
Dark
The Millennium Puzzle does far
Yugi.
more than force hallucinations. It brings monsters to reality, forms barriers, manipulates probability, and seals away spirits.
You
Because
can't
technically,
buy
yeah.
this. It and 6 other Millennium items are juiced up by ghosts.
Despite Yami's retribution,
Ghost!
Yugi wasn't aware of this darker half. Yami had amnesia, so he didn't know himself either. But after a run-in with enemy Millennium Ring user Dark Bakura and some seriously hardcore LARPing, Yugi and Yami learned
Yeah,
each
I
other's strengths
remember.
and made the dynamic duo.
With friends Taya, Tristan, and their left leg Joey,
Joey!
Yugi, we're ready for anything.
Because
Had the craziest New York accent. bro.
Yugi had a great early deck. Monsters for offense, spells for effects, and traps for
That's all I'm saying. Like, what if niggas pull out the spell and trap cards? Then it's GG. Some of them motherfuckers, yeah, like.
Oh, and Exodi. Oh, there they go.
Okay, if Yugi's deck is so good, why isn't it the meta? Put me in, coach. Face my 2,000 card deck.
Don't be too quick to
Speaking of Yu-Gi-Oh, a video popped up on my For You page. Like, apparently some dude like used some crazy ass stall deck that allowed him to literally be able to legally like sit for hours or some shit in between. Like literally didn't have to play. I don't know. It was like infinite. Like, I don't know. It was like infinite summonings or some shit. I forgot. It was some crazy ass shit. It was like, yeah, bro. And legally he was able to do it in a tournament. So like his turn lasted for like hours and hours and hours and hours, bro. So,
judge. Yugi's a very clever strategist. His style works best at maximizing the use of so-called
normal monsters, Alpha, Beta, and Gamma. The Magna Warriors, Beaver Warrior, Curse of Dragon, Dark Magician, Pharaoh Imp, Gaia the Fierce Knight, Gazelle the King of Mythical Beasts, Skullmane, Dragon Guardian, the Fortress. Yeah, okay, we got the effect monsters. Karibo!
terrible cards.
Yeah, cool story, Wiz. But
Hey, yeah, Egyptian guy. GG. GG, bro. GG. Yeah, let's just bring it. Let's bring that shit up. Yeah, GG, bro.
what's he gonna do about the 3 Blue Eyes Kaiba's
Infinite Tsukiyomi deck.
Simple. Summon the monster card Karibo and have it multiply. With a 1,000 strong meat shield, a dragon's breath is a gentle breeze.
Well, okay. Didn't know Yugi had that dog in him, but I'm about brute force. Buster Blader and Celtic Guardian are sick, nasty swordsmen. Summon Skull shoots bolts of lightning, and the giant soldier of stone can destroy moons.
Time Wizard's better. It's a living clock that fast forwards or rewinds a local area of time, turning monsters to infants or wizards into wise sages.
Speaking of wizardry, you can't have a Yugi deck
I think it's
without
time to
his right
rewatch.
hand, Dark Magician, and his apprentice, Dark Magician Girl.
Both are masters of dark magic, and Yugi often
think it's
pairs
time
them
to
with the damage
rewatch.
redirecting magic cylinder. Now that's thinking with portals.
There's support monsters too. Catapult Turtle is a bot with a cannon that literally launches other monsters. And
I
when
remember
Yugi
that
comboed
shit.
with
Yeah,
Diamond
yeah, I
Swords of
remember that.
Really Light, which immobilizes monsters, they brought down an entire fortress. Wait, that's not how the card game works. Is he cheating?
Well, we're prioritizing the manga and anime over anything else, which can differ from the real-world card game.
Yugi also has tons of spell cards. Monster Reborn resurrects a fallen friend. Turn Jump is a time skip, and Pot of Greed lets Yugi draw 2 more cards, like Pot of Greed. which
Soul
lets him
Release,
draw 2
Soul
more cards,
Taker.
like
If things get dicey, he has more trap cards to level the field, like Dimension Sphinx, which reflects damage directly
Bro, it's just cheating, bro. It's just not fair. It's literally not just not fair. Some of these cards, I don't know how the fuck they're going to apply to, like, you know, fighting actual monsters or whatever. But, like, nah, bro, some of these shit's just, yo, it's GG.
back at the opponent's life points.
And if his monsters and life points get wiped, he can just press Ctrl-Z with Mirage Ruler to get them all back.
Pair these cards with Yugi and Yami's teamwork, and nothing could stand in their way. Not even the game's own creator, Pegasus.
Get this,
Pegasus.
can read minds. So in their duel, Yugi and Yami kept swapping souls Freaky Friday style, trusting each other to pick up on the strategies they left behind. And the mind reader was stumped. Yeah, they cheated.
No,
Yeah,
this
they
was reading
cheated.
their minds. Regardless, Yugi and Yami.
Yeah, I'm
are
about to
an
say, this is
excellent
just Gen
duo.
1
Yami
before shit
trusts
started
Yugi
getting
to
fucking
improve on his
crazy.
plans, while Yugi expects Yami to be his bolder half.
They're not just smart. These card-slinging geeks are somehow expected to be fit enough to dodge lasers, resist getting their souls ripped out, and survive attacks.
What are y'all favorite decks in, like, Yu-Gi-Oh, man? Like, I know niggas, I don't know if niggas still play the, what's the game on Steam? You know, I had to be rocking with my dinosaurs. I had to play with my dinosaurs. Hey, the Dino deck,
Duel
dinosaur.
monsters. Even the most common duel monster can cause tsunamis, rain down meteors, and wreck cities.
And all of this
Is
power
Duel Monsters?
culminated
Yeah.
in Battle City, hosted by Kaiba Corp.
Because Kaiba
No,
really
no.
wanted
It's Master Duel, isn't it? I think it's like, I think it's Master Duel. Sky
that
Strikers.
salty run back against
Ah, I remember Sky Strikers. I remember trying to make a deck like that. That shit was ass though. I couldn't complete it. That shit confused the fuck out of me.
his rival.
Salt only surpassed by Yami's biggest hater, Merrick, who wanted the 3 Egyptian god cards to take him out. These cards were Slifer, the Electric Dragon, Ra, the God Phoenix, and Obelisk, who strikes with the power
Like, what was the coldest out of the gods though, man? It is definitely Slifer. Not because I was a fan of red.
of infinity.
This was a different ball game
Sky Striker's
altogether,
crack
but
now?
Yugi was starting to stand on his own 2 feet.
So Yami and Yugi kept dueling on in a battle city that never wants to end. Or stop
Never
bullying
wants to
Joey.
end.
But to claim the Egyptian gods, Yugi and Yami had
Damn,
to face them
bro.
in
I had that
duels,
shit.
pulling off some ridiculously high IQ plays.
When battling Slifer, they used a handful of weak cards to create an infinite combo of attacks that went past the god's limits.
And later, Yugi combined Dark Magician and Dark Magician Girl's magic into Black Burning magic, promptly defeating Ra.
This ain't new
Obelisk's
for the
name is
magicians.
tough? No,
In the
Obelisk's
movie
name is
Bonds
tough.
Beyond Time, they did something similar against Paradox. It's kind of crazy that together, the magicians can defeat the 10-star gods, which are way stronger than mid-tier monsters that are 5 to 9 stars.
Mid-tier cards aren't pushovers. Darkhold Dragon is a sentient black hole, planet alignment moves solar systems, and Jaden's Glow Neos destroyed a relativity field that spawned
About to say, bro, it's GG for Ash ass. I ain't gonna lie, bro.
an entire universe.
But at the top would be the great evil god Zork, who showed up to plunge existence into the realm of darkness. It was time for Yugi to finish the puzzle of who Yami really is.
If the monsters weren't real before, they sure were now. Everyone has soul energy, Ba, which manifests as Ka, or a spirit. When used in tandem with the bonds of his cards, Yugi can will duel monsters into reality, even drawing anyone he wishes by believing in the heart of the
Heart of the cards.
He's been cheating all this time. He doesn't just make up rules, he's stacking his deck.
Not at all.
Cash,
Yugi
go
draws
punch that wizard.
the card he needs isn't just luck, it's an actual skill that he developed. It's even expanded in following series like GX and 5Ds.
Okay, well, I'd be the king of games too if I could just decide I have a royal flush every round.
Whatever. Yami rediscovered his Egyptian past, his multiple lifelong bonds, and his real name, Atem. Claiming his place as the ruler of the afterlife, Atem fused the Egyptian god cards
Fucking
to
tough.
summon Harakti, the creator
Fucking
of
tough.
light.
She's the ultimate duel monster who banished Zork and all of his scary darkness for good. The epitome of screw you, I win.
Beats. Dodge light speed lasers. What was that? Harati's light created the multiverse. Atem blocked a full power blast from Zork. Overcame Pegasus's mind reading and other tricks as Dragon Master Knight caused a blast that was visible from space. Destroyed the Millennium Ring as it enveloped all of existence in darkness. One duelist kingdom, Battle City, and other tournaments defeated Pegasus, Merrick, Darts.
No kidding, for Harakti created Yu-Gi-Oh's multiverse with that same light. Judgment had passed. Across many duels, evil was vanquished. There was only one more thing left to do.
A post-game boss duel between Yugi and Atem.
Their farewell was both climactic and bittersweet. Yugi had grown as a duelist and a person. His victory
And literally,
proved that
he
no
grew
longer
taller.
needed Atem's help to be his bolder half.
Even when Atem was an entire dimension away or busy
My
slapping
God,
the end
that
of
shit looks
existence,
crazy.
he and Yugi would always be bros. Okay, it should have been me, not him. Sorry I called you a cheater. I was jealous. You're so
The
cool.
aura, oh my
Moved on to a
God,
career in
bro.
game design and passed the torch to future duelists. He would be remembered as the greatest duelist there ever was.
Except to Kaiba, who tried to ascend to the afterlife to rematch Atem. Goes to show you that
fuck?
I can't buy you happiness.
Niggas be
but it
locked
sure
in.
can buy you a sweet rocket ship.
There will always be another story, another duel, another game. And you won't find yourself a better opponent than the king of games.
No, that's some insane rival shit. Actual insane rival shit.
The Battle of the Millennium is about to start, but we wouldn't be able to make it happen
All right,
without
what's
some help
actually
from our friends at
what's actually about to happen in this fight for real?
Recon.
Essential
Exactly what people
3 muds that
hours on super hand.
products are up to on dot order by date. Run the data through all
No, you
possibilities.
no.
Before we start, let's
You
lay some
about to
ground
slam,
We're
bro.
treating this as a real-time fight, much like typical battles in the Pokemon anime and duels later on in the Yu-Gi-Oh anime. And given that the rules of Pokemon and duel monsters are clearly incompatible,
Yeah.
we'll allow them to summon anything that's
Anything?
reasonably available to them.
It's time.
Anything that's reasonably available? What does that mean? What is reasonably available? Reasonably available. So it is in real time. Okay.
To death battle!
Pikachu, I choose the obelisk. Fucking destroy that rat! Oh, this is the fight for real. Wait, oh, that was kind of fire. Wait, that was kind of fire. It was actually cool as fuck. Let's start off with our, you know what I'm saying? Our go-tos.
You okay, Pikachu?
Fuck no, nigga, that shit hurt. Y'all ever saw the Dashi video of Pikachu? Hey, man, that nigga Dashi's funny as Pika Pika. Oh, shit. Wait, man. No, wait, do we watch? Okay, we'll watch this before I pull it up.
Hang in there!
You have Spirit, but I have Lightning Blade and Excalibur to boost my attack. I set one card face down to end my turn.
Whoa.
Niggas literally set up the field already. It's GG.
Pikachu, throw him up with quick attack. Everyone else, back him up.
That's cute. That's cute.
Great job. Now, Thunderbolt.
Don't get ahead of yourself. You forgot about my face down card.
My trap card.
Dimension Space!
Oh, bro, wait. This shit look crazy. Jesus. That dude went for the fucking kill, bro. Yeah, the VAs really do sound like them though.
Oh, I get it. Good thing we brought them all, right, Pikachu?
What do you mean, them all?
The VAs for both, bro. All of this is a squad of animals, bro. Blow their ass up.
Charizard, I choose
Slifer, I choose you. Slifer. What? The fuck? Hey, ain't this some bullshit? Oh shit, instead of her body in that, oh shit. Oh shit. Instead of her body that, oh. Yo, what the fuck? Bro, what is this? Yo, he evolved through, bro. All right. He got this whole squad out here cooking, man. Let me sit up. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Pull that shit out. Yugi cook. Yes sir. Now it's GG for you, bro. It's GG for you. It's GG. It's literally GG. Everybody should be dead. Everybody, including Ash. Did this nigga just throw a Kamehameha? What the fuck? Is that the Lucario shit? Oh, bruh. Oh, shit. Y'all know how it is in death battle chat. Usually when the first person to pull out their trump card, first person to pull that shit out is GG, bro. I'm about to say, bruh.
I'm sorry, partner. Don't worry. It's my turn now.
Oh shit! Aura, little Yugi, aura!
To believe
In the heart of the cards.
in the heart of the cards.
Ace! Well, he just loaded the deck. It just loaded the field. This should be game.
Who's that Pokemon?
Haroxy!
Who's that Pokemon? Head ass.
This is it! Magician!
Head ass.
Magic! Haroxy! Joser!
What? What? Ash, I'm sorry, bruh. It's GG for you, Gengar.
Pikachu, let's finish this.
Fuck you mean let's finish this? Fuck you mean let's... Bro, you can't No, bruh. No, bruh.
Together!
What do you mean? What? Ash, that's a god, though. Ash, that's a god, though.
You activated my trap card!
Thank you, Yugi. Yeah, magic cylinder.
Back to attack your life points directly!
Yeah! Directly, we don't need to kill. Oh, shit! Oh, fuck. Oh, shit! Popping their
It was
asses.
an awesome duel, Ash.
About to say, bro. I ain't gonna lie. He dapped up Pikachu, and I thought they was about to pull some bullshit, bro.
KO! Oh, my childhood. Whiz, quick! I need your tears. We can save him.
There's a lot to this, so let's break it down by experience, strategy, and monsters. Starting with experience. Both Ash and Yugi have risen to the top, beating the best of the best, and traveled all over the world.
But Ash traveled more, was in more tourneys, and saved the world way more often.
What are we talking about here? What are we talking about? What experience? My nigga, I'm possessed by a what? Because he went to goddamn Hawaii multiple times? What are you talking about? I've been alive for Bro, what are you talking about? I'm a god! The fuck? I was in ancient Egypt!
And despite what people say, he wins a lot.
Even Atem's stint as the Pharaoh doesn't tip the scale since he wasn't in charge for very long.
Long enough! Long enough!
Plus, Pokemon evolve over time, literally and figuratively. While Yugi's deck is obviously adjustable, the cards are unchanging, unable to grow like Ash's Pokemon.
So Ash wins in experience, but when it comes to strategy, he's a wild card.
Doesn't even make any sense. That doesn't make sense to me. But, you know, it's cool. Let's make it close.
That improvisation and using the environment to win. Even machines cannot comprehend his tactics.
But the same goes for Yugi. Gotta remember, Yugi and Atem's teamwork is second to none. They're masters at exploiting weaknesses, setting up tricks, and surprising foes with so-called weak cards.
Both could
Strat should be slam.
likely adjust to each other's unpredictability,
Strat should
so
be
a
slam.
Dark Horse style win was unlikely.
But Ash's secret weapon is his bond with his Pokemon, boosting
Ash,
their power. I'm not
strategy
just
should
talking
be
about
slam.
Pikachu.
Strategy
His
should be
power of
slam.
Friendship invented an evolution for Greninja. That's crazy. Ash's trust in his Pokemon knows no limits.
Silly
That
as it
music
may
was,
sound,
by
Yugi
the way, the music was so good, bro. The music was so fucking tough.
trusts his deck in the same way. The heart of the cards is real, and Yugi is determined to support his monsters with spells, traps, and buffs. Look at his duels with Merrick.
The fight was dope, too.
Where he
The fight was
bolstered
real
his weaker
fucking dope.
cards to take down gods. With Ba and Ka, his bonds with his cards manifest them into reality, not so dissimilar from Ash Greninja.
Yeah, Ash has aura, but he never mastered it. And specialties like Mega Evolution and Gigantamax, while awesome, only work with specific Pokemon.
And since Ash focuses on offense far more than support, Yugi could control the pace of the fight
hell
with
was that?
cards like Swords of Revealing Light and Magic Cylinder.
But I know some of you are asking, what if Ash threw hands? The kid's strong enough to...
Not that. Not that ass. I was waiting for it. I was waiting for Ash to fucking put the beats on that nigga. I was waiting for Ash to hit that nigga with the mean combinations.
Chuck trees and lift baby gods. Just punch him, man.
Yeah.
Yugi's similarly tough, and the Millennium Puzzle can make shields, steal ghosts,
Oh.
cast illusions, and mess with minds.
Oh.
If Ash actually tried to punch him, it'd be Mewtwo all over again.
It's a
okay.
close call, but Yugi takes the edge in strategy.
So it all comes down to the monsters. Yugi had a slightly larger pool of monsters,
I just think strategy just goes to Yugi because, like, yo, Yu-Gi-Oh is more strategic. That's what I say. That's how I say, bro. It's just, you know, that's how I say it.
but Ashes can clear out island-wide storms,
Now that's
fight
fucking
terraforming
crazy.
beasts, and are stronger than the black hole summoning Gardevoir.
However, Yugi's can rain down meteors, compete with larger black holes, and even the mid-tier scale to glow Neos, destroying that relativity field with a universe. And Herakti created Yu-Gi-Oh's whole multiverse, surpassing even Solgaleo's Sunsteel Strike and Dialga's Roar of Time.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. As soon as you said that, it did not sound close. It literally did not sound close.
And Yugi had more than just monsters on the field. Ash's strength was also his weakness. His power
Like literally all access to spell and trap. Come on, bro.
was evenly spread, relying only on his remaining Pokemon.
If Mr. Mime faints, no more Psychic Barriers. If he lost Lucario, no more Mega Evolution. And so on. The longer the battle went, the less Pokemon Ash had. And he did not have a reliable way to bring them back. He doesn't carry revives on him, and even then, reviving Pokemon in the anime is entirely different from the games. Meanwhile, Yugi had cards like Mirage Ruler and Monster Reborn that could instantly recall powers he's lost.
And he can, you know, bend fate to draw whatever card he wants. And we didn't even cover them all. Really, Yugi's deck has no pathetic cards.
Exactly. Yugi's versatility and power swept Ash's options, giving his monsters the lead. He just needed the right moment to knock Ash stone cold.
This is dope,
That was a
man.
good attempt at a pun, Wiz.
I get it,
Think it's
attempt.
Pharaoh, but Ash got Yugi owned.
The winner
Okay.
is Yugi Moto.
The fact that he continued, he kept on going with it. No, that was really dope, though, man. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section down below. Magic Cylinder being the bane of people's existence, even in death battle. You activated my trap card. Those words have ended a lot of careers. So his childhood is dying today, not that ass. Bit salty, he won with a trap card, but that's the most card game thing ever. Charizard now shares Goku's 0-3 streak in death battle. Wait, Goku. Wait, who did Goku lose in death battle? Like all three. Mentioning that Jason Page saying throughout the match. Oh, he was the one singing the original English Pokemon. They saw that. Yeah, that's dope. How you do last second? 3 sponsors to pay for everything. We all gotta remember how Ash and Yugi will react if they either win or lose this battle. Both of them will remember all the hard work they've done to get. Look at this, is a death battle. None of that friendly ass bullshit. None of that friendly ass bullshit, nigga. This is a death battle to the death. Nearly got ghost busted. Wait, let's see. Let me see that. Wait, I don't remember it. No, here it is.
Oh no! It's a Zekrom! Pikachu! I choose you!
Pika. Oh shit! Yo, hold up.
Pika. Oh shit! Hey, hold up.
Son, I know you don't expect me to fight that.
Fight
shit.
that
Matter of fact,
shit.
who the fuck is you?
I'm Lucas.
Lucas? Who the fuck is Lucas?
I'm Lucas.
That's me.
That's me.
Motherfucker, that was a rhetorical question. Smart ass motherfucker. I should shock the shit out of you right now. And what the fuck is that on your head, my boy?
Is that a beret?
Don't
Funny rock berets no more, my boy.
Yeah, how'd you know?
How'd you know? Did you know? No, I don't like that shit.
Berets and shit. Matter of fact, where Ash at? That motherfucker still owe me $5. You know what? Just put my ass back in the bar. I was watching all the seasons of Digimon, and I just got a 55-inch TV. LED,
bitch.
Gosh.
Damn, bro. Niggas talk about LED. Nigga, we on OLEDs now, bro. We on OLEDs now. 14 years ago. Chat, I was watching this shit while I was in. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about when I was watching it. Don't worry about how old I was. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Don't worry. Don't ask questions.
Darn it. I'm
Gosh
getting a
darn
little
it.
sick and tired of all this. Can you please attack the Zekrom? Here, watch. Oh, jeez. I don't know.
Yo, Lucas!
Hey, yo, Lucas!
Yo, Lucas!
Top tier, bro. Actual top tier, man.